Welcome everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will explore the magic of blooming gel, and if you don't have it, I will share an alternative using a shiny top coat. Start by applying your gel polish, cure it for 30 seconds and 60 seconds, then apply top coat. Now whether using blooming gel or top coat, apply it and dive into your design without curing. I am creating a simple yet elegant design with black and red gel polish, forming swirls with a nail art brush. Watch how effortlessly the design comes to life. This tutorial aims to show you that even without blooming gel, a top coat can achieve a stunning flowing design. If you enjoyed our tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more engaging tutorials. Thank you for watching.